Introducing the Fitbit Charge 4 Fitness and Activity Tracker, the perfect companion for your active lifestyle. With its built-in GPS, you can easily track your pace and distance during outdoor activities like runs, rides, and hikes. The app even provides a workout intensity map that shows your heart rate changes along your route. But that's not all. The Fitbit Charge 4 also features Active Zone Minutes, which notifies you when you reach your target heart rate zones during exercise and celebrates when you earn extra minutes outside of exercise. It's like having a personal coach right on your wrist. And for those looking to take their fitness journey to the next level, you'll get a 90-day free trial of Fitbit Premium. This exclusive offer helps you stay active, sleep well, and manage stress. Unlock it all in the Fitbit app with just a valid payment method. New premium users only, so don't miss out. With 24/7 heart rate monitoring, you can accurately track your resting heart rate and better measure calorie burn. Syncing to your mobile devices is a breeze with Bluetooth LE and an internet connection. Compatible with Mac OS by 12.2 and up, iPhone 5s and later, iPad 5 Gen. And later, Android 7.0 and later. The Fitbit Charge 4 also offers additional health insights. You can now see your SpO2 nightly average and range on your wrist, and track your skin temperature each night to monitor variations. These features provide valuable information about your body's wellness trends. Now, let's talk about its exercise capabilities. With over 20 goal-based exercise modes, you can track your workouts in real time. And don't worry about water activities, because this tracker is swim-proof and water-resistant up to 50 meters. You can wear it in the shower or track your swims effortlessly. With its multi-day battery, the Fitbit Charge 4 will last for up to 7 days on a single charge. Even when using the built-in GPS, you can expect up to 5 hours of battery life. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use internationally. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. In summary, the Fitbit Charge 4 Fitness and Activity Tracker is your ultimate fitness companion. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or simply looking to improve your overall health, this sleek and feature-packed tracker has everything you need. Don't wait any longer, get motivated, and reach your fitness goals with Fitbit Charge 4.